Today we're going to be making or demonstrating X-form rotation and mirror, and we're going to do that by using this flange base, as you can see right here, all dimensioned and whatnot. Alright, you just click get a new screen or a new key creator template, and key creator we're using is 2012 if you're confused. And we're just going to start off by doing line horizontal vertical to put it anywhere. Now we're going to create a cylinder, radius 0.206. The height is going to be 0.43. Use intersection and put it right here at the line. And just because I did that, I'm going to have to use it from the bottom view, but you could probably do it from the top view. You figure it out easily. The same thing basically. And we're just going to create arc center radius 0.655. And the start angle is 0 and the end angle is 180 degrees. Put it in the intersection right here. Alright, now we're going to see mirroring. So click this radius, but just remember you go to X-form and then go down to the bottom or the first column, bottom row, and you just click there. And so back to this, you click this and just press accept after you select that radian arc, and then you remember it's one position vertical, and you can check by doing that, in which case actually it's one position horizontal. Now there, you just select the center midpoint of this line and you'll get this new arc, and that's a circle. Now create line parallel. Distance is going to be 0.7 or 0.44 from the vertical and horizontal line. Then we're going to create another one, 1.45. Same thing off the vertical and horizontal lines. And now we're going to demonstrate, or now we're just going to put down our arc, and this one's going to be 0.44. Whoops. 180. Intersection of these two lines. Now back up and do 90 to 70. There we go. And now we're just going to mirror one of them, because I'm just going to demonstrate how to use rotation with the other one. So click this one, accept again, on position vertical because you're going over the vertical axis, and then, well, yeah, there we go. Now we're going to create one at 180 and 0, or actually better yet 180 and 90. No, 180 and 270. And you're going to quickly see why I did that so that I can demonstrate this rotation. Now go to Xform, the rotation, go to rotate copy. Select this one, obviously. And remember, copies 1. You want to put it at the center of that line right there. And now you press accept. Make sure the degree is 90. Bang. You have it right there. That's how you demonstrated rotation. And now let's quickly hurry and finish this. .06 arc radian. And you know what, since we have some time, let's do the same thing. Let's place it there, and we're going to do rotation again, just so that you guys can understand it more clearly. So just select this again, go through the same steps, number of copies 1, make sure that you indicate that when you want it from the center of the entire object, rotation 90, and just back up and just repeat those steps again for the new or the most recently added arc radian you put. And for the final time, alright. And we're almost done with the entire drawing. Now we're just going to make 0.19 circles in each of these. Right here. And just for the sake of reference, let's look back at our dimension drawing. See there. And go back here. Now what we want to do is just extrude the profile, as you're probably familiar with. And we're going to do 0.85 and select the planar curves. And I recommend that you probably clean it up before you select planar curves, just so that you don't have to deal with the difficulties that it might give you. And go up. And let me just check that it did it. Alright. And now for this one, we want to make it 0.13, as you probably saw from the dimension drawing. And upward as usual. Alright. And now you want to unite this, just like that. And you want to create a cut. Now you might say, why don't you just make...
the interruption. Just a quick announcement that Action Club meeting for today is canceled. Thank you.
Now you might make a note that you could just create circles or drill a hole and just go through that entire process by making 4 holes, but I think this one is quicker, or my preference at least. And just select these 4 circles, accept, and go through, and there you have it, the flange base. Here we are. There's show you in all these views. And let me show you the dimensioned one. And sorry if you guys are confused, it was just made on a previous model of Key Creator, so it's in a different format. Alright, there you have it.